Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would make a video about some new exercises that I've been incorporating into my routine. I'm going to show you what I'm doing, and I'm also going to be explaining why I've chosen these exercises. But first, I'm going to do another little unboxing of my latest YogaClub box. Some of you guys might remember my first collab that I did with YogaClub, and I've been kind of secretly hoping that they would reach out to me ever since, because I honestly just love every item that they sent me. In the first box, I got 3 items. I got this shirt, I got these gray joggers, and a sports bra. And I'm just not wearing the sports bra right now because it's dirty. But I've been regularly wearing all 3 items that they sent me, which, like, I was honestly shocked that I would like items that someone else picked out for me so much. So, but that's why I was just so happy when they're like, hey, let's do another collab. I was like, yes, I want more of your clothes. So the first item that I received was this white sports bra, which is super cute, strappy in the back, like that. And just nice and simple. I'm really a fan of like simple, plain workout clothes. I like sets. I like bright colors, but I don't like bright patterns. So if you like decide to get a box, you fill out this style quiz where they ask you a whole bunch of questions, and you get to say like, I like capris, or I like shorts, or I like tank tops, and I like solid this, printed that. Like you totally like tell them exactly what your style is, and then based on all of the answers to the quiz, they curate a box specifically for you. Okay, the second item are these beautiful 3 or 7/8 length, which is actually my favorite length of bottom. I don't like full length, I don't like capri, I like it to be just above my ankles. They're high-waisted. What brand is this? Vibia. I've actually never heard of this brand, but they have a lot of really nice brands like Free People, Onesie, Manduka, and a lot of their brands are like ethically made. They're made out of recycled clothes or recycled bottles and things like that. So you are supporting companies that do give back. And also YogaClub, for every box you buy, they provide a child in need with a free yoga class. That was a mouthful. Okay, so these pants, I absolutely love the color and the fit. They look amazing. I'm gonna try them. I'm gonna try all this stuff on for you in a moment. I'm gonna wear the clothes while I show you the exercises that I'm also gonna be talking about in this video. Okay, so this is the third item. And another reason why I love everything that I've gotten so far is because, like, I wouldn't necessarily pick, like, I'm not good at picking things that go well together when I'm shopping myself, and this sweater is super cute, but like honestly I just wouldn't have picked it out myself, but when I put it on I was like, dude, this looks amazing. Just so cute and comfy. It's just like a really simple hooded gray sweater. You'll get a better idea in a second. It's got a half zipper and it's kind of cropped and baggy, so it's just a different look than what I would normally choose, but like I said, I really like it. All right, so here's the whole outfit. I was wrong, it's not really cropped, but it's a little shorter than like my normal hoodies are a bit longer, and it's just a bit of a different look, a little bit baggier, which I really like actually. And I didn't realize it, but this hoodie is actually Free People, which is one of my favorite brands, so I'm super stoked. And yeah, the pants are nice and high-waisted. So I'll take the sweater off so you can see what the bra and the pants look like together. So just nice basic workout outfit. Show you the back. And even though YogaClub is a subscription service, you can just sign up and get 1 box and then, you know, cancel anytime. They have a few different membership or like subscription options. The one that I actually think I'm actually gonna sign up for is the Guru, which you get 3 pieces like I did in this box once every 3 months. You can also get it once every month. I just think for myself personally, that's just a little bit too much. So I'm thinking once every 3 months will be awesome, because It's like a great way to freshen up my workout wardrobe. I feel like I'm always wearing the same things in my workout videos, and like I do like to like have a few more options. And now that I've had 2 boxes from them and I've loved every single outfit, I have total faith in the fact that I will love everything that they send me in the future. And also, if you don't like anything, you can just easily send it back and they'll exchange it for you with something different. So this is a sponsored video, but the next box that I'm actually gonna purchase with my own money, I will show you all those items as well. And I just wanna thank YogaClub for sponsoring this video and collaborating with me. You guys are awesome. Okay, so the first 2 exercises I wanna talk about and show you are the L-sit and also the core compression exercises. And the reason that I've been incorporating these is because I'm really trying to strengthen my core and my hip flexors, because what I eventually want to be able to do is to do a V-sit, and I also want to be able to get my toes to the bar. Like when I'm hanging from a bar, I want to be able to get my toes all the way to the bar, because that's a prerequisite for another more advanced exercise that I want to be able to do, which is called a pullover, which is a sort of like gymnastics type exercise. And like if you guys have been following my Instagram or YouTube, you'll know that I'm really trying to, like, eventually I want to be able to do muscle ups and a lot of like kind of more fun gymnastics moves like on the bar. So those 2 exercises, the L-sit and the core compression, are excellent for building that compressive strength and making it so you just have a super strong core and hip flexors. The next 2 exercises that I want to show you are handstand goal related exercises, and they are the hollow body hold and the stability ball pike. So as you guys may know, I want to get good at handstands, and right now I'm just like in the beginning phases. I'm building the foundations. I'm really working on my mobility, working on my joint range of motion and joint strength. And the hollow body hold is an excellent foundational gymnastics core exercise that will help me with handstand, because when you're in a handstand, you should be in that hollow body position. So doing that hollow body hold on the ground really trains your body, really trains your muscles in the core, and just builds that kind of neurological connection with your body to be able to hold that position while you're actually in a handstand. And the stability ball pike is a great exercise to really strengthen your core, your shoulders, and get your body used to being and balancing on your hands without having the weight of your entire body on your wrists and your hands. Because like if you've never done that kind of stuff before, like your joints just like, they're not ready for it. One thing I learned last year after hurting my neck a bunch of times after doing handstands is that I really need to build the proper foundation, the proper mobility, the proper joint strength before attempting these more advanced movements. And that's why I really like the stability ball pike as a good progression towards handstand. Okay, now the last 3 exercises I want to talk about are the arch body hold, the reverse plank, and crab. And all of these exercises are really excellent for opening up the chest and the shoulders. Most of us have a very tight, constricted chest and shoulders. We're all a little bit hunched forward from looking down at our phone, sitting at a computer, driving a car. And what I found that is really limiting me in my gymnastics and calisthenics progress is my mobility, especially my T-spine mobility. My hip extension is quite poor. So these poses, especially the crab and the reverse plank, are excellent for really opening up the hips, opening up the shoulders and the chest, and really strengthening the entire back side of the body, from your glutes, your hamstrings, your calves, your back. And yeah, like I said, just opening up that shoulder and increasing mobility overall. As for the arch body hold, this is something that I do after I roll, use a lacrosse ball to roll out my chest and do a chest stretch, and then I will do the arch body hold because this is something that just really strengthens all of the little intricate little back muscles and is excellent for activating those muscles that might be underactive and dormant due to having tight chest and being hunched forward, so the muscles in our back are often elongated and weak. So doing that arch body hold, it really just strengthens them and helps pull everything back and improve posture and just make you look more fit and athletic. You know, when you're kind of like hunched over, forward head, this bad curvature in your spine, even if you're like, you know, strong and you work out a lot, you're gonna look less fit and your body's gonna feel a lot worse than if you had good posture and good mobility. If you're curious about sets and reps, I'll put in the description box like a general idea of what I do, so you can just look down there for some ideas. But also, just so you know, like, I'm just starting to learn about all this stuff. I'm, you know, not an expert at this. I'm just sharing the beginning of my journey with you, so just keep that in mind, okay? But I have seen good progress and results so far. And let me know in the comments what you think about some of these moves. Try the core compression move. I know it looks easy. It's like, how hard can it be to lift your legs off the ground? But like, trust me, it is so much harder than it looks. So try them out and let me know in the comments what you think. Alright, you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and I will see you in the next video. Bye!